What makes Baghouse.com different is that we are a dust collection specialist. We are an integrator in that we don't just sell equipment. We don't just perform dust collection services and inspections. We don't just do the mechanical install. We provide the entire suite of services. Dust collection is our sole focus. So unlike many companies out there that operate on a distributor model, you may deal with a distributor who sells a given brand of dust collector, but has no special knowledge or experience in dust collection. Maybe they also sell conveyors and silos and vents and other things. They're not going to know how to size the system properly. There's going to be all kinds of issues and risks when you go that route, trying to piece together a system with just equipment sales reps. So we take a comprehensive look at your process. We design the system from the ground up using decades of best practices, and we have really the deep expertise in so many different industries and verticals to know how to design and install a dust collection system that's going to work for your process. So one thing we often see is customers, they sell just equipment. They're not going to know how to fix it when it's not working right. They may be interested in just selling you filters over the years, so they'll sell you a system knowing it's not going to perform right because their money is made on the back end with filter sales. Some of the big brands, that's their whole business model. They'll sell you a lower dollar piece of equipment knowing that you'll be stuck buying filters from them, their specialty filters, for the next 10 years at twice the market rate. So that's not our business model. Our business model is to be the one source, the full suite turnkey solution for your dust collection systems. We have a long earned reputation for really deep expertise, customer focus. We want your system to work right. And when we come visit your site a year later, we want to shake your hand and hear how your system is running great. That's what we're in this business for.